Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and today we're actually going to have a really busy day. So first and foremost, we're going to be going over a modification that I recently added to my truck. And then we're going to head over and meet up with Jarvis. He's one of my friends. We're going to be filming an episode of Modified Monday with him. And then after that, we're actually going to try to go over to my friend Ryan's house. That might not happen today just because it's really busy, just to see his new house. And then finally, we're going to be meeting up with Nick, which you might know better as the Burlacker. And we're actually going to have him drive my Shelby just to kind of convince him that that's the car to go for. And then hopefully we're going to get a little bit of a peek at the Stradman's garage since he does live with him. But let's just get right into the video. It's nothing crazy that I added to my truck, just a tonneau cover, but you can see that the truck is unlocked right now. So all that I have to do to pull this down is I just have to pull these little latches here, pull them both at the same time, and then I can't do that because I'm holding the camera, but then it flips back. And the other cool thing is all the way over here, you get these that you can plug it into, so I can have it all the way against the window, so I can have the whole bed space open if I want to, but then it covers the bed so it keeps all the nasty tree stuff out, and LED bed lighting that I have lights up the bed. So it's just a nice little thing to have. And then if I do lock up the truck, then it's fully secure and locked, so I don't have to worry if I do put something valuable in the bed about anyone stealing any of that. If you are wondering how much it cost, it was free $99, of course. Just a joke, but yeah, it was on a truck that didn't need the tonneau cover anymore, and so I didn't have to pay anything for it, which was neat. So it's a free modification, and it's actually the second modification on my truck. The first was the bed liner, since it didn't come with anything, but we'll see if I want to add anything else to it. I'm not exactly sure. I was thinking about maybe some different tire and rims or something like that, maybe doing a leveling kit on it, but we'll see. But things are getting a little bit tight, so let's just head out right now. And per usual, she's a thirsty girl, so we're gonna have to go get some gas first and foremost. We just got over here. We got our boy Jarvis early in the morning, and then we've got his Challenger over here that we're gonna be filming our episode of Modified Monday on. Sorry, there's a huge line of cars. But yeah, you guys will recognize this from the wallpaper that we have on the channel. We took that picture together a few months ago. It's a really neat car, but we'll just get right into that. We're in the Challenger, and Jarvis and I are now driving down to an undisclosed location in Mexico to do our video on Modified Monday. Just got over here to the car wash right before we hang out with the Burlacker, just to clean her up so she looks good when he takes a look at the car, but let's just get right over to that. Now that we've just got her all cleaned up, we're going to head over to Nick's place now so that we can show him the car and then have him drive it as well, but I'll see all of you back in just a few. So we have finally arrived at an undisclosed location, which all of you will know as the Stradman's garage. We have the 350 right here, and it's here ready for Nick to take it out for a drive. He's considering buying one of these. There's a couple other options that he's looking at as well. Here it is, and we're gonna open it up and just take a look at all of his cars quickly. First off, we've got the OG car. This is the Lamborghini Gallardo that the Stradman's had for a few years now. We'll pop over to the other side so that you can see it a little bit better, but it's just tucked around here in the corner. Looks a lot crazier in person. Windows are tinted crazy dark, of course, and then you can see the V10 back there. We got one of the second supercars that the Stradman got, and that is the Audi R8 with the V8, and it's tucked right next to the Gallardo right there. Sadly, he's taken off the ski box and the red wrap on the side that was over the carbon fiber seals right there. And then finally, the one that all of you will be most excited about is the Aventador that he's gotten most recently, and the purple wrap with the orange brake calipers. We actually had his car over at the dealership for a while, and people were taking pictures with it, all that kind of stuff, so I can imagine that it's a little bit crazy when he drives this around, just all the attention that it gets overall. So we were just finishing things up here, just trying to get a cool little thumbnail. It was kind of a little bit weird, so there's actually a little curb over there. Almost went over it, but yeah, we were just trying to get it cool so that it was all angled well with the Lamborghini and the Audi R8. I couldn't get the Gallardo in the picture, but it was all good. But what do you guys think? Should I come roommates with Nick and the Stradman, join the squad? Leave that in the comments down below. We have finally made it back after everything today. It was actually a pretty fun day overall. As always, thank you everyone so much for watching. If you are stopping in for the first time, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. Comment down below what you thought, and then I will see all of you in that next video.